What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So if you don't know, the entire market is kind of falling hard right now, and I hope that things start to turn around. But then again, some people are hoping that we see it continue to fall down so that they can capture more cryptocurrency. Because the overall thought of where cryptocurrency is right now and where it will be in the future is that cryptocurrency is going to be worth a hell of a lot more. It just depends on when, right? Whether it happens this year, next year, the year after that, it will happen, and people are just, kind of waiting, right? They're just waiting until that time comes. It's like investing into Amazon. For the first couple of years, you're like, oh, well, maybe this will work out, maybe it won't. And then, you just let it sit, you set it and forget it. And then, however many years later, you cut to today and it's worth, what, $2,000, $3,000 or something, right? Or, per share. I don't really know what Amazon's worth, honestly, but it's worth a lot market cap wise. Either way, you would be worth a lot no matter how many splits they did. Ultimately, you would be worth a hell of a lot, multiple millions of dollars at that point as you invest a hell of a lot into Amazon at its start. But that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about something similar, the crypto market, and when that absolutely explodes to a scale well beyond where Amazon is. I mean, 10, 20, 30 trillion dollars, $100 trillion. People believe that the crypto market just from one coin will be worth somewhere around that much. And that's the coin that we're talking about today, which is XRP. Now, there has been some news with XRP, and seeing how it could affect the entire crypto market has kind of made the crypto market go into a little bit of a spiral, honestly. I think that's where it's coming from, but we do have other detail, other sources, other news that could be pulling things back as well. So anyways, I wanted to get into XRP today, talk about that position and why something has affected this so significantly and why we're seeing this back down to kind of its original price. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description for my referral links, for my affiliate links, all of that stuff. Feel free to help me out. Also, I have to address it. I feel like I always have to address it. I'm wearing this because I'm an Inside Out character. Fear. And I wish I can bring fear up on the screen, but maybe I'll search for it at the end of this video and we'll see how it does compare, or maybe not. But anyways, XRP, if you didn't know of what has happened throughout crypto, XRP in their court case, 2-year court case, 2+ year court case, they ultimately got to a point where they had a ruling and they were labeled not a security. Huge for the crypto market, right? Because that establishes case law so that you can use in any other case that the SEC brings up or any other case that anybody brings up, honestly. But there's one problem. There could be an appeal. And we all knew that from the moment that there was a decision or a ruling. We knew that there could be an appeal. And it would be at the SEC's best interest to obviously appeal the situation. The reason being is because they have pending court cases right now, right? They have court cases with Coinbase, with Binance, with they've attacked Kraken, and Kraken had to go back on their earn program and pay a fine and do all this extra stuff. So it would be at the SEC's best interest to have an appeal so that they can't use this ruling because it's not an official ruling. It's not over with and done with. And now it affects the entire crypto market, and it definitely affects XRP. So currently, as we see XRP, let me make sure that my screen comes up. So as we're looking at XRP, it's currently at about 50 cents, which is back down to the low that it was at before the ruling came out. Right? We saw this at 50 cents. It was like 45 to 50 cents before the ruling. And then when the ruling happened, boom, up to 94 cents. And then it started to retrace. We knew that we would see a retracement because it played catch up to the rest of the market, went down to about 60, 63 cents. And now with this new news, it has dropped down to 50 cents, being down about 14% today. I knew that there was something big happening in crypto, and that's the reason why, right? That opens up the door for a lot of other cryptocurrencies to be labeled a security. Now, like I said, XRP wasn't the only one that was in a case or in a battle with the SEC. You have Coinbase and you have Binance labeled as trading unregistered securities, or technically Ripple was involved in that. But so Binance and Coinbase are fighting it as we speak. And they were both using XRP as kind of case law. Like, look, this is, we're trading things like XRP. If XRP is not labeled a security, you have things that compare to that shouldn't be labeled a security as well. So they're using that within their case, and they should, right? When you have case law, that's what you do. You have a lawyer that fights a case, and then they bring up old cases that apply to this case and say, in the case of this, you ruled this, or they ruled this. So this is how you have to rule, right? Right. So honestly, it's something that I knew that they were going to do, and a lot of other people knew that they were going to do, but they were just hopeful that we wouldn't see that and we would be able to fight it and we would see adoption of cryptocurrency. But we kind of haven't seen that. And again, now we're seeing the overall crypto market, if you could see up on the top of the screen, down by 6.33% overall. So not as only is XRP affected by this, I think the entire crypto market is affected by this, because Coinbase wouldn't be allowed to trade or offer anything besides Bitcoin, because that's all they're saying is not a security, is Bitcoin. So anyways, from some news that we have over here, right? So Judge Torres has granted a request from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to file the motion to leave to file an appeal its case against Ripple Labs. The securities regulator sent a letter to Torres on the 9th of August saying her decision could affect multiple pending court cases. And that's what I mean. That could 100% affect Coinbase's court case, Binance's court case, any other court case that does come up. So it's definitely a major issue that we see overall. And I think it's honestly affecting the market, and it's definitely affecting XRP and seeing how far that has dropped. Again, if you haven't seen XRP and what has happened, let's say over the last year, where it has gone, this is what we are seeing here. So again, in the last year, it's up 33%, but it got all the way up to a level, it only shows 80 cents, but it got up to 94 cents, almost at that dollar level, and has dropped down recently down to 50 cents. And not just because of a standard retracement, it's because things may be right back to where they started. XRP in a fight, whether it's a security or not a security, it's within that fight for not being a security, or at least for investors to stay invested in the U.S. It's not going anywhere. I think outside the U.S. it still will be labeled, however it's labeled, but inside the U.S. They're fighting hard to not see the adoption of crypto, which honestly sucks. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But I'm gonna get out of here. This is the last video I'm posting today. I don't know when it will be posted, but hopefully, everything is relevant as we are posting that, which it should be in a few hours. But crypto changes very quickly. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. Let me actually see really quick and just show you a picture of fear from inside out, just to give you a fear from inside out. Let me just show you a picture of fear. This is what I'm supposed to be right now. Let me bring them up. Fear. Here we go. How do we do this? Like that. Boom. So let me go back. This is fear from inside out. I feel like you got the sweater, you got the shirt, you got the bow tie. I got the pants. They're not as purpley, but whatever. Sue me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.